Hello, my name is Asit Kumar Waghela,
And hello, my name is Avi Patel.
and we are here with the presentation of third assignment of innovation and entrepreneurship subject. So let's begin. So as we know, and we have already seen in the first assignment's presentation, that traffic is one of the most important standards in the world to measure the national strength level, and from that, it means that the level of traffic, the quality of traffic, how quality of drivers, and everything matters for the national strength, because a total of 4,37,396 road accidents are recorded across India in 2019, resulting in the death of 1,54,732 people and injuries to another 4,39,262 people, according to the National Crime Records Bureau data. So basically, this means that a huge chunk of this accident occur due to traffic rule break, lack of traffic rule obedience. So there are many people who don't know or who don't care about the traffic rules, and because of that, so many accidents are occurring and so many deaths are happening because of that. So our main aim is to educate people about the traffic rules and traffic signs with an immersive experience in virtual reality. So that will help reduce the road accidents due to traffic rule breaks. And the who has this problem? So our customer can be, accidents are a national problem and it needs to be solved. So from uh, normal people, normal drivers, youth, to governing bodies, everyone can utilize these facilities like RTOs, education institute, driving schools, and many more implementation can be done on this project. So now let's talk about the proposed solution that we have. So our aim is to educate people about traffic rules and science with immersive experience in virtual reality. That will help in reducing road accidents due to traffic rule breaks. So we are trying to make a VR guide with tools like Unity 3D that puts the candidate in the driver's seat and guides them through the real world traffic, and show them how the different traffic signs and signals work and how to follow the proper rules, and that way they can easily understand and learn how to properly drive in the real world traffic. So now let's talk about the value proposition of our project. So as as I have already told you that we are planning to make a VR guide, and it is a very interesting and very immersive experience because it is something new, and it will be very easier for people to understand while watching the traffic and all the signs and all the rules in virtual reality, and they will feel like they are actually experiencing it, and the user will be able to use this simple app on the Android device and with any VR box, and it will be a very immersive experience and it will help them understand very easily. All you need to do is start the application in your phone and put it in the VR box, and you can learn and educate yourself about the traffic rules. So let's talk about the target market opportunities. So the target market opportunity for this project consists of drivers, especially the young drivers who are learning how to drive and understanding the road traffic, especially of India, and road traffic bodies of government that can use this to spread awareness about the traffic rules and regulations. For example, RTOs can implement this inside the driving license test process. So before giving driving license test, all the candidates can also use this and understand how actually the traffic works and how to follow the rules. And driving schools can also utilize this project as a way of teaching the students traffic rules and regulations before they actually go on the road, and it also can be implemented in schools and colleges to educate youth who are going to become future drivers. So this is the main target and opportunity for this project. So from here on, my partner Avi will take over.
So this is the business model canvas. As we have discussed this model in the assignment 2. So I am just summarizing it. So the main three problems are the first is insufficient knowledge of road traffic sign and rules. Second is broken rules leading to the hefty fines. That means that whenever the person is breaking the rule, he or she needs to pay thousands of rupees. And the third one is that accidents. Many of the accidents are of overspeeding, and the solution of that is immersive experience in the VR to learn traffic rules and signs. And second one is plug and play. As my friend Asit told that it is very simple that we can install the app and in our mobile and just insert the mobile in the VR box and play or learn. The key activities is that easy to use, good user experience, educational projects. And the unique value proposition is that the app will provide an immersive experience in virtual reality and will be very easy to understand all the traffic rules and sign. The unfair advantage of our project is a very low competition because we are using new technology such as VR. The channels, that means path to customers, basically there are two. First one is website and second one is mobile application, in which the person can see see the information about our product. The customer segments that which we would be targeting, that first one is RTOs, drivers, driving school, youth, and academic institute. The cost structure of our project will be tech platform cost, marketing and ads, employees, and the revenue streams will be ads and subscriptions. The fund requirements of our project is software development, in which the software needed like Unity 3D or Blender, etc. Distribution platform like website and applications. Maintenance after development. That means whatever the website or application we have built that needs some maintenance time. VR box, marketing and ads. Competitor analysis. Though rapidly growing field, there isn't much competition in VR sector because majority of VR is implemented in entertainment sectors such as video games and movies. But there are not many applications in education sector. How are you different to your competitor? We are trying to make more convenient and useful applications using AR VR. It will be easy and plug and play type application.
So as we have seen in the presentation that this project is empathetical or educational based, so it is little hard to build a business model around it. So but we have came up with this type of idea that it can be implemented in this different ways. So thank you for watching, and we hope that you liked our presentation and our innovative idea. Thank you.
Thank you.